Hello friends, letter writing is the most important part in the writing section. So today we are going to learn the letter writing. So there are two types of letters, formal letters and informal letters. Formal letters are used to write the letters for official purposes. For example, if you want to write the letter for a job application, then you can write the formal letter. In it, formal language is used. And informal letters are used to write the letters to your relatives and friends. So first we will see the format of formal letters. So in the formal letters, we start with the sender's address. First we will write the address of the sender. So in the sender's address, you can write the name of the street, area, city and pin code, and then you have to write the date here. The date should be right like for example 6th August 2020. In this way we will write the date. Below the sender's address, we have to leave one line and then we have to write the date in this way. After writing the date, you have to leave one line, then the address of the receiver. Receiver's address. This address you should start with to the principal or to the manager, to the editor according to your subject of letter writing. So here you will write the address of the receiver. Then you have to leave one line and you have to write the subject of the letter. The subject is very important in the letter writing. You can start the subject with two ways. For example, if you are writing the letter for job application, you can start with application for the post of. For the post of. If you want to apply for the post of a job, then you can write here application for the post of a teacher or lecturer. Another subject you can start with complaint. If you are writing a letter to complaint regarding any matter, for example, complaint regarding irregular water supply or irregular electric supply. So we can write the subject by two ways. If you are writing the application, then you can start with application for the post. And if you are writing for the complaining, then you can start with complaint regarding and write down the subject. The subject should be brief and written in one line only, if possible. Then after the subject, you have to give the reference only in case of job applications. You can start the reference with your advertisement in Mumbai Times. Here you have to write the name of the newspaper, then date, dated on. You will write the date here. Only in case of job application we will write the reference, otherwise there is no need to write the reference. You should only write the subject. Then after subject, leave one line and write down the salutation. Here you can write respected sir or ma'am, comma. So these are the four important points at the beginning. Then you can write your letter. Means there is body of the letter. Here also you have to make 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph will be introductory paragraph. In it, you can start with, as per the above mentioned subject, I would like to apply for the post of this and this post, etc. If you are writing a complaint letter, then you can write, I would like to draw your attention towards, then write down the subject. In first paragraph, you have to write the purpose of the letter. Then in the second paragraph, means in the middle paragraph, you have to write the relevant details, the details of the letter. And in the third paragraph, it will be your concluding paragraph. You can conclude here your subject matter. So your body of the letter should be about 3 paragraphs: introductory paragraph, middle paragraph, and the concluding paragraph. Then comes the complimentary closure. Means you can write here, thanking you. This statement is also important in formal letter. It is the complimentary closure, and at the end of the letter you have to write yours faithfully or sincerely or truly. Then write down A, B, C. If the name is given in the question, then you can write the name. At the end, if the name is not given, you can write here ABC or XYZ. So this is the format of formal letter. If you goes according to these points, so you will score more marks. In the 12th board exam, the letter writing is asked for 4 marks. For the proper beginning and ending, there is 1 mark. Then for the accuracy of language and grammar, there is 1 mark. Then for the covering all the points, if you cover all the points or if you include all the points in your letter, then you will get 1 marks. NCPA, neatness, proper beginning and ending, then covering all points and accuracy of language and grammar. So the 4 marks are divided according to these points. So as per my opinion of paper correction, if you attend the formal letters, then you can got more marks. So it's better to attend the formal letter than informal letters. So this is the format of formal letter. In the next video, we will see the format of informal letter. Till then, keep watching the videos. Please like and share and subscribe my channel.